Hi, Nicole from Fresh Start here. Today we are going to organize a fridge. First, we empty out the fridge and throw everything that is damaged away. If it has mold, if it smells bad, if it just doesn't look good or is expired, just throw it away. This is an organized fridge. As you can see, we use containers to put our eggs and our water and all of the supplies we have. If you enjoyed watching this video, please follow and share so that others can benefit as well. Bye!